welcome to the second trail of our hike with Gugu and Tebo.
Yes, just behind the scenes.
Guys, we are one with nature again for us the second time. We started it like last week and we were like we have to do it again, so we are doing a second part of trailing, but today we are on another nature reserve. This one has a very difficult name. Baby, what's the name of this one? It's Krantzkloof. Okay, we'll tell you guys when we say it because I can't pronounce it. We will take a picture and we'll show you guys. This one is in Kloof, so it's kind of a distance to drive, but it's very pretty like the last one. We're gonna take you guys along with us. Hope you enjoy. I know, like guys, I did say that I am going to do all the things that I don't like to do, one of them being out in the open, out in the nature. And after the last one I was like, this is actually fun. And when baby said we should do it again, I was like, let's do it. Let's go. Let's do it. So come along with us. Let's see if we're gonna see anything interesting on this one. I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Let's go. Basically, the reason why you hike here is so you can see all the waterfalls, because I think every trail has its own waterfall. And as you can see, they are beautiful! Woo!
Decided to take over the channel. We are renaming it. It's now Gugu and Tebo, or rather let's just say Tebo. But we have finally arrived. This is the waterfall. That's the madam. She doesn't know that I'll put this on the YouTube video when I edit it, but it's quite a nice view to be here, just to see the waterfall and to be with nature and humanity. The landscape is quite nice. I think the only challenge is the sun. It's scorching hot. It's like, I think the should be like 32, 34 degrees. But we'll manage. We have some sunscreen.
Water.
The best company in the world.
Hi, baby. We have water.
Of course.
Do not forget your water. It's hot.
Yeah, so we're just gonna explore the waterfall and immerse ourselves in that water.
Yes. so beautiful. Guys, so the trick about this hike is, the hike itself is very hard. But when you finally get to the waterfall, it is amazing. It is beautiful. Like, it's perfect. You can come here with your person. You can come here with the family.
That's it.
No, don't do your side picture. Like, don't do it. It is beautiful. Mwah. I love it. So guys, we've had a great time here at the place where we still don't know how to pronounce the name. We're just gonna take a picture and we're gonna show it to you guys. I think this is where we're gonna end the vlog so that we can just enjoy the scenery and just chill. So yeah, it's amazing here, guys. I hope one day you'll get a chance to come check it out. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.